Hi guys and welcome to the unboxing of the most expensive, most exclusive shoe ever sold in Mzansi. My name is Sizo Henna and I'm the Opel brand ambassador. I'm with a friend of mine, Theo Baloy. Now Theo is the owner, the founder of Bathu. Theo?
Sizo, thank you for having me. Excited to be here and part of this special unboxing. Tell you what, when I started Bathu in 2015 in my room in Alexander Township, I always dreamed of launching the most expensive sneaker in South Africa. And here we are.
Now this is exciting, Brian. When you look at a box that's gold, that's branded, you think Opel, you think Bathu. Ah, come on, man.
This shoe, ma'am, is the exclusive brand new Bathu GSi limited edition sneakers.
Ha, let's check this Bathu.
Check it out, buddy.
Oh man, oh man.
This, my friend, is the all-new exclusive Bathu GSi limited edition sneakers. We source the material in Lesotho and we locally manufacture in Durban. You know, proudly South African, that's what we push it. Very comfortable. You can almost compare it to the Ricardo Performance Heated Seat. When you own this pair, you can hit 207 kilometers an hour.
So I saw some keys.
Yeah, that's the catch, Chomam. That's the catch.
Yeah?
When you buy the most expensive sneaker in Mzansi at the price tag of 365,900, no jokes, you get to walk away with the all brand new Opel Corsa GSi.
Ah, Bafetu, now I go. Now I don't want to sit here anymore.
Our mantra in business says, walk your journey. And this baby over here will help you do exactly that.
Guys, I feel like I've witnessed history in the making. And I agree with Opel. The future is everyone's. Embrace it. We're going as far.